The United States, represented by the United States Olympic and Paralympic Committee, is competing at the 2020 Summer Olympics in Tokyo, originally scheduled to take place in the summer of 2020. The Games were postponed to July 23 to August 8, 2021. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, U.S. athletes have appeared in every Summer Olympics of the modern era, with the exception of the 1980 Summer Olympics in Moscow, which the U.S. boycotted in protest of the Soviet invasion of Afghanistan. As Los Angeles will be the host city of the 2028 Summer Olympics, the United States, along with France, who is hosting the 2024 Summer Olympics in Paris, marched in the opening ceremony just before the host nation Japan. The United States will compete in all sports except field hockey and handball. The following U.S. competitors won medals at the Games. In the by-discipline sections below, medalists' names are bold. A. Athletes who participated in the heats only. The following is the list of number of competitors in the Games, including game-eligible alternates in team sports. 1 U.S. archer qualified for the men's individual recurve by reaching the quarterfinal stage and obtaining one of the 4 available spots at the 2019 World Archery Championships in Hertogenbosch, Netherlands. Another U.S. archer secured a spot in the women's individual recurve by winning the mixed team title at the 2019 Pan American Games in Lima, Peru. The athletes were selected after the Olympic trials. 4 more U.S. archers were named to the roster for Tokyo 2020 after successfully winning their places in the men's and women's team recurve at the 2021 final qualification tournament in Paris, France. The United States fielded a squad of 2 artistic swimmers to compete in the women's duet event, by finishing 5th at the 2021 FINA Olympic qualification tournament in Barcelona, Spain. U.S. athletes further achieved the entry standards, either by qualifying time or by world ranking, in the following track and field events. The team will be selected based on the results of the 2020 United States Olympic trials to be held in Eugene, Oregon. 6 marathon runners were the first set of U.S. track and field athletes selected for the Games by virtue of their top 3 finish at the Olympic team trials in Atlanta, Georgia on February 29, 2020. Following the completion of the Olympic trials, 128 athletes in nearly 6 decades, apart from Felix and Knighton, the U.S. team also featured 3 Olympic champions from Rio 2016, namely middle distance runner Matthew Centrowitz, Jr., hurdler Dalilah Muhammad, and shot putter and world record holder Ryan Crouser. United States entered 4 badminton players into the Olympic tournament. Biwen Zhang was selected among the top 40 individual shuttlers to compete in the women's singles, based on the BWF World Race to Tokyo rankings. On the men's side, Timothy Lam and Chu brothers Philip and Ryan received an invitation from the Badminton World Federation to play in the singles and doubles events, respectively, as the next highest ranked shuttler or pair outside of direct qualifying position. The team will be supported at the Olympic Games by coach Ding Zhao and team leader Alistair Casey. The U.S. baseball team qualified for the Olympics by winning the Americas qualifying event. Infielders outfielders coaches. The U.S. men's basketball team qualified for the Olympics by advancing to the quarterfinal stage as one of the 2 top-ranked squads from the Americas at the 2019 FIBA World Cup in China. The roster was updated on July 16, 2021. Roster. The U.S. women's basketball team qualified for the Olympics by winning the gold medal and securing an outright berth at the 2018 FIBA Women's World Cup in Spain. The roster was announced on the 21st of June 2021. United States women's national 3x3 team qualified for the Olympics by securing a top 3 finish at the 2021 Olympic qualifying tournament. The players were announced on the 23rd of June 2021. United States entered 10 boxers into the Olympic tournament. All of them qualified after the 2021 Pan American Boxing Olympic qualification tournament, which was due to be held in Buenos Aires. Argentina was cancelled. U.S. canoeists qualified one boat for each of the following classes through the 2019 ICF Canoe Slalom World Championships in Les Hauts-de-Guel, Spain. With the cancellation of the 2021 Pan American Championships, U.S. team accepted the invitation from the ICF to send a canoeist in the men's slalom C1 to the Games. As the highest-ranked eligible nation from the Americas in the Federation's international rankings, United States qualified a single boat in the women's C1 200 meters for the Games by winning the gold medal at the 2019 ICF Canoe Sprint World Championships in Szeged, Hungary. Qualification legend. FA equals qualify to final. Facebook equals qualify to final B6 US riders in the UCI World Ranking. With her golden finish in the women's time trial at the 2019 UCI World Championships. Rio 2016 Silhouette.